Welcome back, guys. This is our second task in Introduction to Inventor, and I'm working from problem sheet number 1, part number 2, end lap member. So same as we did before, we're going to go up to the top left hand corner for a new, going to come down to metric, going to go to standard millimeters IPT, which means a standard millimeter part, and we're going to create that part. So now we've got our blank screen, we need to go and draw a sketch. So I'm going to go up the top left hand corner again, create 2D sketch, come down and select a plane. In this case we're going to select the XZ plane, same as we did in the first task. We're going to go back up and select a rectangle for our base shape, because that's the shape of our base is going to be. We're going to find the origin, and it's going to go green, and we're going to go click and drag, and the size of our base is going to be 30 by 50. 30 tab 50, enter, go up to our block at the top, click on top view, and you can see it's 30 by 50, and go finish sketch. We want to extrude that sketch by 20 millimeters this time, so type in 20, enter. Go back over to our block on the right hand side, top corner, click OK. So now we have our block, and now we've got to put our rebate on this face here. So not on the top, not on the side, but on this long face here. So that's the face I want to put it on. I'm going to go new sketch. So we've got our new sketch here now. We're going to take out a rectangular shape. So we're going to go back to the top to rectangle from 2 points. Select our top surface, our side surface, notice how they go black. Our top corner, it's gone green, goes green, and then click and drag. In this case it's going to be a 20 by 10, 20, tab 10, enter. Looks good. Finish our sketch. Go back up to our extrude button at the top left hand corner, so extrude. Again come down, we don't want the add, we want the second option down, which is cut. We don't want to set distance because we want to cut all the way along, so select all, checking that our shape looks correct, and go OK. So now we have our finished shape of our end lap member part 2. So go back and save it now. So we're going to go up to the I bar right top left hand corner, come down to save as, select your file. In this case it's going to be part 2 end lap member, and save it. That brings us to the end of our second video and our second task, and I shall see you guys for our next task. Alright, bye for now.